Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and price prediction of self-key token, and I will tell you my next medium duration and long duration target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. Please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new, please subscribe my channel and please thumbs up the bell icon. Please click on bell icon. And if you want to learn technical analysis, please contact me on my Telegram, and Telegram link is in my video's description. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what is the target and how much I am bullish on this token. Self-key. It is CoinGecko page of Self-key and it is currently trading at $0.0207, and here you can see current rank of this token is 526 and price increases 4.4% in just 24 hours. Market cap of this token is $57 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $24 million. Here you can see circulating supply of this token is just 5.9 billion, which maximum supply of this token is 5.9 billion. Circulating supply of this token is just 2.7 billion, which is very low. And I think this will be the first reason I am bullish on this coin. In 1 year, this token gives 1,578% profit to its holders. Return on investment is 38%, which is good. And all-time high of this token was on June 30, 2018, almost 3 years ago, and price was 0.04. All-time low is 0.00054507. It was on April 16, 2020, about 1 year ago. And this is the chart of the key, and here you can see it was here you can see it was top on 2018, and after that price decreases, and here comes the new rally in 2021. I will show you my trading view chart of this, so please watch this video complete. It is available on Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange, and Bilex and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. This link is also available in this video's comment section. This is the self-key chart of 1 day Binance chart in USDT pair. Currently it is trading at $0.0203. I draw some support zones and resistance zone of this token. This is the daily chart, and currently it is trading at $0.02, and this is the strong sell zone, and maybe we can see some rejection on this zone. If key break this horizontal resistance, in that case it have to hit $0.025. All-time high on this chart is $0.034, and this is the strong buy zone, this is the strong buy zone, and these are buy zones and these are strong selling zones. And currently it is trying to break this zone, which is 0.021, and currently break this, but after hitting this 0.025, price decreases and price decline, and it is now currently is at $0.02. Maybe we can see some rejection in that point. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone, and after that it will go towards upside. But I am not sure. If it break towards upside, in that case, let me please tell you. If this happen, if key break 0.025, in that case it can easily hit 0.0315. This is immediate short-term target for this token right now. And let me please tell you my long duration target for this token. Please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. First, let me show you how much profit this token gives in 2021 to its holders. This token gives 1750% profit to its holder in just 4 months in this year 2021, and it is approximately 17x profit, which is very good, and it is a very good profit. And now it is currently is at $0.02, and if it goes towards upside, and if it hit 10x, in that case what will be the price? Let me please show you. I will definitely tell you my targets, but I'm going to show you if this token hit 10x from current running price, in that case what will be the target. I'm not sure, but I think so this token can hit 10x in this year 2021, but I will tell you my targets in this video. 22 cent if it move towards upside and break all-time high. In that case, if it hit 0.22, in that case your profit will be 1000%, which means 10x. But let me please show you what is the target. I think very realistic target I am going to give you. According to the fib retracement tool, maybe it can hit this zone. $0.13 or maybe 15 cent, 14 cent. According to the fib retracement, it is 14 cent, and it is price is 14 cent, and it will give 585% according to the fib retracement tool. But I think to be very realistic, my target is 12 cents to 15 cents in this range. I think so this token can hit 12 cents to 15 cents is the target for this token. Price, I think price will move towards upside, and market will move towards upside and hit maybe 12 cents, maybe 13 cents, maybe 15 cents. My last target is 15 cents, and my full target is 12 cents, in between 12 cents to 15 cents. These are the target. This is the target. To be very realistic, I think 10x, this token can hit 10x, but I think it is very, very realistic target, and 15 cent is my last target for this token in 2021. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. And if you want to join this token on Binance, then this is the link. And please do your own research before buying this token or before investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose only. I will not responsible any of your trading or investment loss. Keep watching. Take care.